We can put our olive oil. So you want to put a half cup of that. Liquid measuring cup to your right. You can do it to your right. Yeah.
Okay. Hi, my name is Maggie DeYoung. I'm 13 years old and I'm with America's Test Kitchen Kids. Today I'm going to show you how to cut your fresh herbs and how to use those to make basil pesto. Before we start, make sure to wash your hands and like and subscribe for more how-tos and recipes.
So now you do have to wash your hands though.
I already washed my hands. Make me do it again. Herbs are an awesome way to add flavor to any dish. You may have some parsley and basil. Make sure to properly wash and dry these. If you don't dry them correctly, they will feel really gross and nasty when you try and cut them up. To dry the herbs, you can just pat them down with a towel. So make sure that, Make sure that you remove the stems. Make sure to remove the stems of the parsley and the basil because they do not taste good. Parsley, there's a super cool trick to do where you can just pull off the leaves. Now I'm going to show you how to chop your herbs. For herbs like parsley, you're going to want to stick them into a tight pile, and for basil, you can just kind of stack them. Now that I have my parsley in a tight stack, I'm going to take my chef's knife and place one hand on the handle and one hand on top of the blade. I'm going to use a rocking motion in order to mince the parsley.
And we'll do super speed here so you look like you cut really fast, you know.
Cause I'm just that good.
Yeah.
Once.
Gotta stay hydrated.
Next, for the basil, you can put it into a somewhat loose stack and roll it lengthwise. So I've just cut the basil into nice thin sliced kind of ribbons. And now I'm gonna use that same motion with the rocking with the hand on top of the blade to mince the basil. It's called basil. Okay. Now that I've shown you how to properly cut up and mince your herbs, I'm gonna show you how to make some basil pesto. Since we're using so much basil and a lot of other ingredients, it's best to use a food processor. So it's so fun with the spin thingy.
Is your mom gonna make a cameo in our video? Is she your co-star?
No.
It's only you. Okay.
It's only because I'm the star. I'm the star. Awesome. What are you doing? That is my favorite part. Don't you dare. This is the only thing I look forward to when we have salad. So in my food processor right now, I have garlic, basil leaves, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, salt, and toasted pine nuts. So now I'm going to be processing this for 30 seconds at a time using a rubber spatula like this one to scrape down the sides. There are blades in the food processor, so just be careful and ask an adult for help if you need it. Awesome. Okay. I did it.
Nice.
This smells really good. So now I have blended this a few times and it's looking good. So I'm going to carefully remove the lid and carefully take out the blades. Make sure you ask an adult for help if you need it. What the? So I'm just going to use a rubber spatula to carefully pour my pesto into a bowl. Okay, so now I have my basil pesto all done, so I'm gonna toast up some bread to eat it with.
Just careful. Oh.
This is my pesto toast. It's all done. So my pesto toast is all done now. I want to try. It's good. The pesto is really nice. It has a lot of flavor and you can really taste the basil coming through. And I really love it all together because you have the nice creamy texture of the mozzarella cheese mixed with the kind of crunchiness of the toast and just the beautiful mixture of the pesto. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you learn how to chop your herbs properly or even just enjoyed watching me make some delicious pesto. Make sure to go check out atkkids.com for more recipes and how-tos. And good luck on cooking your pesto. Thanks for watching. My name is Maggie DeYoung, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Wow, that comes out really slow.